Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short sentences in English. We are friends. Repeat that. We are friends. We are sisters. Can you repeat that? We are sisters. We are brothers. Can you say that? We are brothers. We are siblings. Repeat after me. We are siblings. We are colleagues. Can you repeat that? We are colleagues. We are learning English. Your turn. We are learning English. We are tired. Can you repeat that? We are tired. We are cooking food. Repeat after me. We are cooking. We are dancing. Your turn. We are dancing. We are eating. Repeat after me. We are eating. We are sleeping. Repeat that. We are sleeping. We are happy. Repeat after me. We are happy. Now let's practice negative sentences. We are not happy. Can you repeat that? We are not happy. We are not sleeping. Repeat after me. We are not sleeping. We are not eating. Your turn. We are not eating. We are not dancing. Can you repeat that? We are not dancing. We are not cooking food. Your turn. We are not cooking. We are not tired. Can you say that? We are not tired. We are not learning English. Repeat after me. We are not learning English. We are not colleagues. Can you repeat that? We are not colleagues. We are not siblings. Can you say that? We are not siblings. We are not brothers. Repeat after me. We are not brothers. We are not sisters. Can you say that? We are not sisters. We are not friends. Repeat that. We are not friends. Now let's practice they are. They are students. Repeat after me. They are students. They are working. Repeat that. They are working. They are watching television. Repeat that. They are watching television. They are happy. Can you repeat that? They are happy. They are eating food. Can you repeat that? They are eating. They are dancing. Your turn. They are dancing. They are tired. Repeat that. They are tired. They are playing basketball. Repeat that. They are playing basketball. They are brothers. Repeat after me. They are brothers. They are sisters. Can you repeat after me? They are sisters. They are friends. Can you say that? They are friends. They are siblings. Can you repeat that? They are siblings. They are men. Try saying that. They are men. They are women. Try saying that. They are women. They are children. Your turn. They are children. They are not children. Trying saying that. They are not children. They are not women. Repeat that. They are not women. They are not men. Your turn. They are not men. They are not siblings. Repeat that. They are not siblings. They are not friends. Repeat that. They are not friends. They are not brothers. Can you repeat that? They are not brothers. They are not sisters. Your turn. They are not sisters. They are not playing basketball. Repeat that. They are not playing basketball. They are not tired. Repeat that. They are not tired. They are not dancing. Your turn. They are not dancing. They are not eating food. Can you repeat that? They are not eating food. They are not happy. Can you repeat after me? They are not happy. They are not watching television. Can you say that? They are not watching television. They are not working. Can you repeat after me? They are not working. They are not students. Try saying that. They are not students. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember that practice makes perfect.